I'll say Kinskelly, that's an Matila Mach, Rudikin Chicha, microphone burger, Cha, small microphone here. Dead cat, cut, bossy. Dead cat with the covering, clodach on microphone, as the Magus condenser software. It's very windy now. It's in the Faragi Mora. See the big seas there, it's very windy. So the song may fuam Carcalor. Hopefully the sound is okay. You'll probably hear a bit of the wind, alright, but hopefully with the dead cat agus an condenser mic nach me fuam rohanna. Agus the material rodel to the non Michael, you can see me, there's a muscabel. You can see me in the small box there. Agus on Mahru. Out in the Lundy Moor, see the big waves. Oh, yeah, ni vallen bij de maanden, ja. Ni ween van dat stoel in de shoulder, ja. There's no boat from Doolin sailing today, it's ni leen intas. Niels af Russaville. I'm not sure. Currach that's Currach. Yeah, it's very windy. And for good show. And Hoifer. So I just done a couple of nomad mas pages. The moor. Take him a spade and Dorcha here to Har in Ishmael. The sky is very dark there over in Ishmael. Very dark over in Ishmael. So it's a moor, it's on the way. Moor is shower. M-U-F-A-R. Moor. Carwell Sunny. That's Sunny in the poo-poo. Sunny in the video. He's doing his business. He's doing his business. But the Hanu Madanish, almost 2 minutes now. I guess I was again been a road soft throw. Gmalashkal will come Malashkal second one challenge. In a phone soft throw, there's the kind of phone Mach road Masha. You know, when you're holding the phone like this, it gets heavy enough actually. This near on the phone, right, does that see no care no matter to the log and you feel your arm getting a little bit tired. There's a kind of phone machine. When you're holding the phone, extended. So I need so much of the Faragi Mora, you can see the big waves there. The Faragi Mora. Almost. Oh, the Shari. As we bought the shoal in as the boats were sailing a stiff from Doolin and they shouldn't really have been sailing. Not really. Call the camera. Come on, let's go. To the passion, I'm making which is, yeah, Masha. That's news far. That's better now. Ski, come on, Kitoik. Rest from my left hand. So I need to have a shoulder that they shouldn't have been sailing really because it's very rough. Frank that's a rat over there. They got our Lochen in the sail. There's lots of rats in the sail, mice and rats. Shah Kylie, it's a Kylie bug, no pressure. It's a brand, but she had a Vasca. She's the little girl's in the pram here with me as well, but she's well dressed for the occasion, for the west and the wind. Better than me. I think your mama down the Kingston. I see some agents there in the distance out in the rocks dangerously. Since I stranger, that's probably a tourist. I can put him on Zoom, you know. Let's see if I can zoom. Able to see, yeah, have a good question. You have to see that Aegis there. Very dangerous on the rocks there with big seas like that. Very dangerous. And Hunter Chakajo, very dangerous. Anyway, to see much I can't lower, hopefully he's okay. If you can remember. Yeah, we'll find the stranger each other. You get stranger is tourist. Torosori, but we say stranger, non-islanders coming here. They don't really respect the sea. And they don't. Oh, let's go down to this waves and get a selfie. How much you see in the Faragi Moor, in the Lundy Moor, how much selfie. Instagram, no TikTok, or anything like that. So it's Amadine, Egypt. There's no need to go down that close because my umpa to the routine is if you sprain your if you sprain your ankle or whatever there, Phew, chunta go dó. Ma ní bheith éireann agus síosa so no one, ní bheith éireann agus síosa no one would go down there. So if someone got injured or in an emergency and someone, no, you wouldn't look, no one would be down there because no one would be stupid enough to go down there. So it's a very stupid place to go down if you're injured. I think it was a lonely more. It's from a more we're on the road here and we're safe here in a safe distance. But I wouldn't want to go any closer. It's high tide as well and big seas. So very stupid to go down on the rocks. Very stupid. It's 90%, 99% of the time it's tourists going down doing stupid things like that. You know, lots of people they're not used to the sea, you see, they're from cities or urban areas or whatever. They wouldn't be used to the sea, especially during gales, high tides and sea surges and things like that as well. It's very windy now, there's a shower on the way. I might do, maybe after the shower I might get more footage. On the phone. I think it's on the Fargi Mora. That's the sunny chin freshness of more. I'm kind of much in this chat as we saw. But Lonely Mora. We moved a chin slaughter. We're Mhaled of Aska. At the close of the child of Bram. I had to go on the Vasca, on Vasca to go sheltering. I had to go sheltering because there was a shower. But as you can see, Eleanor here, my little daughter here, she's well covered with the plastic. Me's on I'm better covered than I am. I got sunny fishing. Got sunny. Yeah. The sunny sauce to the small. What will the ball like a year to get a sauce? I guess Macali. Couldn't much no matter Macali. Stop with that no matter. Just couldn't much no matter. We can keep off for another minute or two. But I got a couple of clips on the Lonely Mora. I want to give a few clips of the big seas. What was I saying before? The River Rouge. So we're galore thing, my captain McCarthy galore thing, the Haggard's going to Sire. A lot of people that come to the Sire. They're not used to big seas. They come from urban areas or whatever. And even if they know the sea, they mightn't be used to big seas like this. You know, they might only see the sea when it's like sunny day or whatever. Not when it's like this. So they came on the road. They said a more at top. I saw it. You went there. She said a car. Get it. I went much more the car right there on the rocks there. You know, near the sea there. As some people do, they want to go down and get a selfie or whatever. You know, or clip for Instagram or TikTok or whatever. So I wouldn't do that. The internet I shop it up a Joe. And they say like a freak wave, but there's no such thing as a freak wave really. When there's a gale and high tides, you know, it's just Russian roulette if the sea comes up. And it's an Elaine run. It's sunny chin. There's no such thing as a freak wave really. Kind of a journey there, Carrick 5 with it, chin. That's Carrick 5 with it. In the distance there, so you get big rollers. See those big rollers there, Carrick 5 with it. And then out beyond Clonafeachne, I did a video there before, I think Clonafeachne, which is the most southwesterly point in the Sire. I got on a one nice moon in the Sire, and you get the biggest waves in the Sire, Clonafeachne. Yeah, better go back with it in there. We might leave it there. That's our jacket about Broom Pram. And then the Tarricha Lodge, it's kind of difficult pushing the pram and when it's holding the camera and talking and very strong wind. Tarricha Lodge, the whole Sunday. Tarricha Lodge. So fucking with it in there. It's long before.